want to share with you is there are 3 ways you can have a business, whether it's going to be online, whether it's going to be a service business, and it's going to be a brick and mortar business. And with all of that, it comes expenses, it comes startup costs, so you can be successful. So I want you to be successful in business, because what I do, Biz Strategist Sandy, that's what they call me. What I do is I help you to critique all of that information. But let me give you some tips here. This is what this video is all about. It's the tips this morning. The tips are, you have common startup costs, right? And some of the things that you have, it's going to always be in your business. So you need to know what they are. Some of the things, let me just give you something to think about. Some of them might be office space. Some of them might be equipment and supplies. Some of them might be, how your communications are going to be with a video, how you're going to communicate with the world, marketing and things like that. Your utilities, your licenses and permits is definitely a requirement. Insurance, attorney fees, lawyers, whatever kind of business you have, you want to make sure that you're protected and you're legally protected. You got to kind of talk and kind of research and find somebody that's going to help you with that. Inventory, employee salaries, advertising and marketing, like I mentioned before. And listen, you have to market research. Yes, you have to research your market. Yes. And printable information, whether it's, having a website, anything like that. So what I suggest that you do is think about making sure that you have all of this in your business so it can be very successful. And also, I have been doing a series talking about, how to make money in 30 days, how to make money in your business in 30 days. And when you know this information, it's going to definitely help you. So you can DM me if you want to be in the next free training that I give, to kind of get to deep dive in some of this information that I just gave you, because I'm here for you. But just remember that your cost, this can be, and sometimes this is going to be a fixed cost for most of the things that I mentioned to you. So here again, not all of them are. So here again, I want you to know that your success is all in how you planned. Yes, planning for your business, planning for that success, and planning for that dream that you one day want to just be able to explode it and make it something a little bit than just an average business. Okay, alrighty. So if you do, you can DM me, and you can I'll send you a link to the next training that I do about these things about business. Okay, alrighty. And I hope you much success in your business endeavors. Talk to you on the next video. Bye bye.